time to trade. In this video, I'm going to do a deposit into XM broker, a $5 deposit into XM broker. So first of all, log into your XM broker account, then of which in this part it is included that I'm going to open an additional account of a micro account. So let me guide you through the steps. So first of all, you click that open additional real account. Okay, so which platform do I need to use? For my trading, I would like to use MetaTrader 5. Of which, what type of leverage? Wow, this is the interesting part. I will choose let me highlight. Okay, I will choose 1:888. That's my leverage. For the account bonus, do I really need to receive a bonus? Wow, man, I do not really have man, so I would accept this, receive the bonus. So account type, wow. So which type of account do I need here? So I've said in the beginning of this video that a micro account, which means we'll be able to work with micro lot sizes. Okay, you will see later on. So I choose micro account. There it is. Then account based currency, I would like to use USD. Should I try this out? Okay, let me use USD. So now trading knowledge and the experience, let me check. Professional experience, well, I didn't work in any financial institution. Okay, a relevant profession, no, none of the above. No, none of the above. That means I should click none. How many times have you personally traded over the counter? Many times. I really have traded many times, more than 20 times. Okay, have you traded at least 25 times over the counter OTC? Yeah, probably I have done it because I've been trading for about, let me say, 2 years. And when I say I've been trading about 2 years, it doesn't mean that I was profitable all the time. Nah, it's just the journey of the losing trade. So here I will select, yeah, I did. Okay, the password. Okay, let me create my password. Okay, how can I say? Well, I'm Bonisi, right? Let me type Bonisi. Mine Bonisi. Okay, 8 time to trade. Well, I'm really going to change this password for most of you. Okay, paste, confirm password, paste. I declare that I carefully read and understand the entire. Okay, nah, I did read before, not today. I read back then. Yeah. Open a real account. So let's wait and see. Okay. Micro account, yes. Wow, open a real account. Congratulations on it. Okay, let me save this. Okay, my email address. Okay, let me go back to account. Okay, I'm in home. Let me see whether this account is ready for me. Wow, there is my account written 60. Okay, that's the one. Okay, now I need to make a deposit. This is the section where we make a deposit into XM account, into a micro account. So let's see. Do I have if sufficient funds? Well, we'll see by clicking the deposit box. Screw, yes, this is my Skrill address. Yes, deposit. How much? I only have $5 in Skrill. So would they accept? Let's see. Okay, there is my Skrill. I've got $5. Yeah. So let me write $5. That is the minimum amount which you can deposit into XM broker. I hope this works, guys. I hope this works. I hope the sender Skrill is fine. It's not invalid. Okay. I didn't try this before, so it's my first time. So if it goes, oh, that's a new thing. Okay, join million you pay. Okay, I need to log in. Okay, remember me on this browse. I hope it won't ask me for verification, because the process, login. Wow, my balance is $5. Pay now. And I hope this works. Processing your payment. Wow, deposit successfully. Okay, click return to the exam. Will I receive that 100% bonus, deposit bonus? That's what I want to see. Okay, let me go and check. Do I have that 100% deposit bonus? They have advertised. Okay. Wow! Equity $10. That means I deposited $5 and my equity is $10. Wow! And on a micro account. Wow, that's wonderful. So guys, if you are watching this video currently in 2020, in which month are we in? We are in May. Is it May? Yeah, we are in May. Please hurry up to this broker. Just make a deposit, the $100 deposit into your account. Okay, not $100. Just make any size of deposit from $5, and you get 100% back into your account, and you start trading, baby. Okay, now okay, I'm just excited today. Okay, this is the part of the video this is the part of the video where I'm going to introduce you to this platform, which is called Traders Support Network. Okay, let me not go to Traders Support Network. So you guys, if you are new in this trading journey, if you want to learn how to trade, if you do not have any basic knowledge, you do not have to be a student of who have done economics in school, accounting in school. I didn't do those things, but in this day I can understand how to trade. So if you visit this course, then register on this website. There are tons of courses, tons of courses, right? Okay, there's first level, second level, the third level. Then you make a deposit, then you fund, then you go pro. That means this is the part for those advanced people who they not an advanced person, but that person who want to go with trading hard, want to be a pro trader, a professional trader, as an expert. So it's something which you rely on. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember, visit my YouTube channel or future film on this channel. Okay, time to trade. Please guys, please, I beg you, hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this video now, if you don't subscribe, well, I don't know what to say, but please make like this video, place a comment if you have any certain question which you have, and I will help you. If I don't understand it, I will find someone to help you. So this is Time to Trade. Head over Time to Trade, click that subscribe button, that red button, yeah. Then there are videos which I'll be posting here and there. A journey of a losing trader. Just yesterday I just posted crude oil which I bought. Let me show you guys before I close this video. So I bought crude oil when it broke that so-called support level, and it went up. So guys, thank you for watching. If you made it to this part of the video, thank you. I want to thank you. So I hope you happy trading. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next videos and tutorials. Peace.